Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome to Coder Commune. I am Subham. Today I'm going to start with problem solving in Python. So in this tutorial we will solve two problems. First we will solve this very basics. In this it's saying that a is given first integer, b is given second integer, then return the value sum of above two integer. So it is very simple. Just write the code. So here a is given, b is given in parameter, so we will just write return a plus b, it is the sum of two number. So it's passed, so you can see it's passed out. This was simplest one. Now let's get started with another one. Now simple array sum. So this question is saying you are given an array, so you have to sum all the elements in that array and return the sum of that array. So here is the input 6 is the total number of input, total number of element in array, and after the summing of all the input you have to return the output, return the sum of array. So let's get started. So here array is given, so just declare a sum variable, sum num, or you can say temp variable, temp equal to 0. Now let for I in AR, for I in AR, temp plus equal to I, just return the temp. So what it will do, first temp will be 0, then it will come what is the input, that is 1. So 1 will come to 1, to temp 0 plus 1, that will be 1. Then again 2 will come, 1, there is temp already 1, then 1 plus 2 3, then 3 will come, 3 is temp, and then I is 3, 3 plus 3 is 6, then 4 will come, so temp is 6, and then I is 4, 6 plus 4 10, then 10 will come, so 10 is temp and 10 is I, 10 plus 10 20, then 11 will come, so 20 is temp, 11 is I, 20 plus 11, that will be 31, so return 31. Now let's run the code. So you can see there is the output 31. Now let's submit it. I hope you cleared. So if any query, ask it in comment section. So thanks for watching the video. In the next video we will solve another problem. Thank you.